Hello. In this video, we show how the Alibaba Cloud Web Application Firewall can help protect your sites and servers from software bots. Bots are programs that emulate a web browser, which are often used by criminals to harvest large amounts of data from websites. A bot can also be programmed to abuse websites in other ways too, such as by mass posting adverts or malicious links in comment forms or forums. Sometimes they place large amounts of reservations within, say, an airline booking system, in order to prevent legitimate customers from making a booking until the bot's reservations time out because of non-payment. By using rules and policies within the Alibaba Cloud Web Application Firewall, you can prevent such malicious traffic from ever reaching your site or server. To start, we log into our Alibaba Cloud account and head to the main console. From the Security section, we choose Web Application Firewall. We choose the correct region for our WAF instance. On the left-hand side, under Management, we click on Website Configuration to see the details of our site that the WAF is currently protecting. The current default settings are shown on the right-hand side of the screen. We can see that the Web Application Attack Protection is turned on. This covers attacks such as database injections, cross-site scripting, and other common attack types, which constitute the well-known OWASP Top 10 list. This feature works straight out of the box and is enabled by default. We can also see that HTTP flood protection mode is enabled and set to normal. This will help to protect the server from HTTP flood and DDoS attacks. We can now click on the Policies link to view some additional WAF options that will help to keep our server safe. The Malicious IP penalty feature is powered by Alibaba Cloud's huge threat intelligence database, which continually monitors more than 4 billion IP addresses and flags any which appear to be the source of unwanted traffic. To turn on the Malicious IP penalty feature, we just click the switch so that it turns green. Now, if multiple connections are made from any suspicious IP address to your server, that IP will automatically be blocked for the standard period of 6 minutes. Another useful feature for protecting your website and server from bots is the HTTP ACL, or Access Control List. The HTTP ACL lets you create more detailed rules specific to the type of system you're protecting and the level of attacks you're facing. To add a new ACL rule, we click on the Settings link, then the Add Rule button. Assign your new rule a name, then click on the Add Rule link to start adding details. You can add up to 3 conditions in a rule, and the rule will be considered satisfied if all of them are true. For example, here we block access from IP address 123.234.55.66 if the target URL is reset_password.php. Images and videos on websites require a significant amount of bandwidth to host. Consequently, it is common for selfish website operators to link to graphical content on other people's sites instead of hosting the files on their own server. This is known as leaching. If you discover that a particular website is leaching images or other content from your site, you can create a rule to block it. For example, if www.selfish-site.com is referencing images from your company's site, we can set up a rule as follows. The requests will then be blocked, and users of the selfish operator's site will receive an error saying that the required image can't be found. Note how we use the referrer matching field in this instance. This video has demonstrated some of the anti-bot features of the Alibaba Cloud Web Application Firewall. The service is available on a monthly subscription and can be used to protect servers hosted with Alibaba Cloud or anywhere else. All that's required is a single DNS change in order to route incoming traffic via the WAF. You can find more details at www.alibabacloud.com/product/WAF.